어디 가 오늘?
We're gonna go have 보신탕.
Ah.
Oh yeah, let's go.
What's boshintang for my American viewers?
Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go have some dog meat for Nigel who wants to try so bad. I mean, I love it. It's a Korean cultural thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my friend Hyukjun or Leo.
Hyukjun, Leo. It's not Leo. It's not Leonardo. I told you. It's
Leonardo.
Eccolo, Leonardo.
He studied in Italy, so he speaks Italian.
Don't ask me to speak.
Come stai?
Yeah.
Buongiorno.
Stai zitto.
Che c'aio?
No, stai zitto. Cazzo. Hey Nigel, how do you feel about trying dog meat for the first time?
I'm excited. I'm hungry.
I'm super hungry,
Yeah,
man. I'm super hungry.
배고파 boshintang.
보신탕. Alright, let's go try some 보신탕. Yeah.
아이고야.
I'm so hungry.
This is
Hungover a little
Yeah.
from last night. Drank a lot. Man, I was drinking until like 4
Yeah?
and they just wouldn't
Yeah.
go home. Like it was 4. I mean, I was like I told them I'm gonna go home at like 3:30, and they were like, "Man, it's only 3:30," and I was like, "Yeah, exactly, it's 3:30. I'm gonna go home, and I gotta go have lunch with Nigel today, like tomorrow." And I ended up going home at like 4:30. You make a video and all that, and I can watch that later. Hey, so 보신탕 place right here.
Oh.
Shit,
Cha-cha.
it's in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah,
Let's
it really
go
is.
try it. Okay. You know this place has a goat, ducks, and like healthy ducks and healthy goats. I guess I don't know.
You should have all of it. Time to eat dog.
Time to eat dog. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Take off your shoes. Yeah, of course.
한국 식당.
한국 식당.
네.
그 보신탕을 먹어보고 싶다고 한국에서 그래가지고
같이 오셨어요?
네, 이나대 다니는데 여기까지 택시 타고 와서.
이나대 학생들 많이 와.
아 그래요?
이런 교수님.
아 교수님들 많이 오시는구나. 저희
탕으로?
예, 탕으로 먹어야죠. There's 보신탕 which is dog. There is
수육도
염소탕 which is goat. There is 한방오리 오리 which is a duck.
개구리 잡수러 왔는데.
Or we can have like one dog and one goat.
네.
Yeah? Is that what? Dog and goat?
네. Dog and goat. 네.
Do you want a goat or
네.
do you want dog?
네.
Do you want dog or goat?
Both. Can we have both?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but like it's gonna come in separate, like.
Yeah, that's fine.
뚝배기.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. 둘 다 염소탕하고 보신탕하고 하나씩.
나눠?
네, 하나씩.
하나씩?
네. 둘 다 먹어보고 싶다고.
네.
네, 감사합니다. Why are you laughing?
보신당 하나, 한 그릇, 두 그릇, 보신당 하나, 염소 하나.
보신탕 하나, 염소 하나.
그래.
Do you want it? 곱빼기? 보신탕 곱빼기?
What's that?
Extra size.
Sure.
It's 2,000 more expensive.
네.
예?
네.
보신탕 특으로 주세요.
예.
네, 감사합니다.
하나, 염소 하나.
네. You wanna soju?
아니니? It's so early.
Why not? This is like.
아이고야. So what just happened was Hyukjun was talking to the 이모님, 네, which is like the waitress server, and saying that like they have duck here, they have goat here, they have dog here. So we're getting like one like side of dog, but like extra like supersized, and then you're getting
like supersized, like American supersized, but yeah, like large size more like.
And then we're getting one side of goat, right?
Yeah, goat.
Yeah.
Like female goat. Do I say female goat?
Yeah.
Okay, female goat.
Yeah. And she was saying that a lot of the professors from Inha Dehakyo come here, so I was like, okay, I'm excited.
Yeah, goat meat. Goat meat actually I've never had.
Oh yeah.
I don't think it's gonna be any different, but yeah. That's the thing. So I mean, you go eat, and you feel like you have to drink. And if you're eating, I'm just saying, if you're eating using your spoon, then you have to drink soju.
Okay.
And when you're not using your spoon, then I guess you can drink either beer or soju. Like I don't know if you're eating chicken, if you're having samgyeopsal, samgyeopsal is definitely soju, but
What?
okay, samgyeopsal is beer.
No,
as well.
it's
It's somen. It's somen. Samgyeopsal is somen. Chicken's beer. 보신탕's definitely soju. Look at those guys. They're
이거야.
drinking. You know, film them.
가자.
Okay, so
Very
I
good.
just got the permission from the 이모님 that she actually loves us to film the kitchen, the way she makes the things.
안녕하세요.
네. 해줘요.
Okay, so 어떤 이거는 무슨 고기예요?
염소.
아 이게 염소?
네.
That's the goat.
염소.
That's the goat. Okay. 개는요? 개는 어디?
개고기?
들어갔어요,
네, 들어갔어. 그랬어.
Oh, yeah, dog is already in. And she's gonna make it extra nice. Because we are filming. She loves it.
Wow. 네.
So the one on the left is goat. One on the right is dog. Yeah, you can see it's a bigger part.
아, 저기?
Yeah. No,
저기?
yeah. The one on the right, it's a bigger size.
아.
Yeah, that's a dog. 이거 켜야 되는 거예요? 키는 거예요?
탕이에요, 탕?
아니요. 아니 저 탕, 네, 탕 저거
탕?
아니고, 네, 탕.
탕?
네, 탕이야, 탕.
탕은
네, 그러니까 탕인데 가스 넣으시길래. 맛있겠다.
There's so many side dishes.
Is it? I mean, it's
탕,
typical.
탕을
탕. 아 근데
염소.
네, 염소 여기.
잠깐만요.
염소.
요건 염소.
염소. 저기 가운 여기 일단 여기 놔주세요. 염소. goat.
와.
Yep. 감사합니다.
That's the dog?
Yeah, that's the dog.
Wow.
Let's see how it looks like.
Yeah. It looks like beef or like,
Any other meat.
yeah.
It doesn't look any different.
I bet it tastes good.
The goat.
I'm so excited.
You wanna try both, so like
Yeah.
you wanna put it in the middle and
맛 어디? 아, 네, 저기.
네, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Which one's, this one's goat. No, this one's
No,
dog.
bigger
Yeah.
one is the dog.
Yeah. Alright.
Hey,
감사합니다.
okay.
개고기 있어?
개고기.
Wow.
This is the dog one?
It looks like regular meat.
Yeah, it does.
This is actually like really good.
Yeah, it's not gonna make any difference just that it's dog.
Okay. So, this is really good.
Is it?
Okay, so imagine like the taste of pork, guys, but it's like super tender, like really tender pork.
It's got its own distinct smell to it.
Yeah, it does have a really
little-
distinct taste. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot chewier than pork, but this is like really good. This is really good. And then goat. How do you say goat in Korean?
염소.
양소? 양소탕.
염소탕.
So this is 양송탕.
염소탕.
양소탕.
Okay. Fuck it.
Really chewy as well, but it also has like, can't really like point what it tastes like. It tastes like it has a distinct taste as well. I don't know, like meat is meat to me. Like,
That's
like I don't know.
terrible, man.
Like it tastes like the dog, but the dog also tastes like pork. Like it's all, I don't know. I wish I could be more descriptive, but it's really tasty. So
I'm gonna mix it a little bit. It's got its own sauce and everything in it.
all right.
Can I eat it now?
Yeah, you can
Because
eat.
I'm starving.
이건 뭐예요?
It's duck.
Duck?
Yeah.
아 진짜?
Yeah, and I don't think there's any meat in it, but I saw it and I was like, wow, it looks really good. Especially I'm hungover, and she was like, oh, I give you some. So I expected her to give us, you know, like in a, you know.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
이거 드셔봐요. 맛있어.
맛있다 진짜.
시원해.
그러니까 와.
자, 한방 야채.
한방.
한방.
Sure, how do I explain that?
요걸로 하는.
In English.
Okay, there's a lot of.
Broth? Bones?
No, I mean, you know, the Asian stuff, you know.
The spices?
No, not seasoning. You don't call that seasoning, but like good stuff, like some special, like I don't know,
Ancient
like,
Chinese secret?
yeah, ancient Chinese secret shit that you put in, and like you just, you know, boil it for like hours, and you know all the good shit comes out of those trees and leaves and stuff.
Oh.
What do you call that? Those like leaves and trees and like
Trees?
and those sticks and I don't know what you call that.
So we're eating dog, duck, or dog, goat, and Groot.
Groot. I am Groot.
Oh god. 맛있다? 뜨거마?
Bro, that was hot.
Yeah, I
But you
bet.
can definitely smell it.
Oh.
You can smell the no?
The spices.
Yeah, it's not spices.
Herbs.
It's, herbs, yeah,
Yeah,
herbs.
okay.
But then that makes it sound like wanna smoke
Like
one.
more Asian?
No, smoke one. Like, man, only if I can have one. Oh, whatever.
We are done.
Yeah. Wow, it was a hell of a meal. It was
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah.
It's really tasty. I have no shame eating, like none whatsoever, and it's supposed to be like really healthy for you. So we'll see.
Yeah, it's. Nigel's paying. Why are you paying? Just that I took you here,
Yeah.
found the place.
Yeah.
Because not many Koreans, you can't really. I mean, not many Koreans are up for having dog meat
Yeah, yeah.
either. So
27,000원.
How much?
27.
Oh, okay.
예. 감사합니다.
Look at this Nigel being happy. Are you ever gonna come back here again?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. Before I leave.
Before. When are you leaving?
June 24.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you have only a month left.
네. 감사합니다.
네.
안녕 계세요.
감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요.
네, 고맙습니다.
How you feel?
Full,
Yeah.
healthy, energized.
So bolsintang, it means soup that energizes, right?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't exactly mean energizing.
Yeah.
I don't know how to translate it, but it basically
Yeah.
means that.
Yeah. So he had to like call yesterday, make sure they're open, make sure the bolsintang actually had gegogi in it. And it was really good. Like I'm like I said earlier, like not ashamed. Like so like as I ate it more, like I realized like the differences between it. So dog meat has like a sort of like fragrance to it. And like besides that, it's not any like it's not any different compared to like other meats. Like it's super tender, it's super juicy, it's super nice. It just has like a really like interesting fragrance to it that like Hyuk-jun was telling me like that some people just can't get over. And then like goat meat is goat meat. Like it's not weird or anything, but it was really tender. It was like almost too tender. It felt like when you would bite it, it would just like disintegrate entirely almost. So yeah, so now we are going back home and we might go watch Deadpool 2 later, but
Yeah.
that's it for now, guys. Like and subscribe, or most likely you're probably gonna get a dislike and think I'm some crazy dude. But it's
You're gonna get so many reports, so many dislikes.
guys, like eating dog is like a cultural thing. Like in Western societies, it's weird, but like here, it's like normal. Or like in South America, you can't eat certain things, or like
I
whatever.
wouldn't call it normal, but I mean, it is normal.
Yeah,
I
it
mean,
is.
it's nothing unnormal about it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like all Koreans go and oh, let's go eat dog meat today. It's not like that. Nobody. I mean, I feel like nowadays, especially nowadays, not even half the Koreans are up for eating dog meat.
Oh, yeah?
And over half have not tried in their lifetime.
진짜?
Yeah. So it's
yeah.
not really favorable food, but
I don't know why.
you know, it's nothing normal about
Yeah.
it. It's food, whatever.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not that I hate dogs. I love dogs.
Yeah.
I love kids. You know.
I love dogs, and I love dogs in another way now.
You know it.
Okay, I'm gonna go now. For I just like like and subscribe.